create side cladding Git. Select this purlin, then copy these properties, then go to the steel, select here beam, click this beam, click the first point, then click the next point. Here it is created like this. Press escape key, select this one, then go to the properties, all the properties keep as it is, make here 90, then enter. Here it is placed 90 degree. Now all the thing keep as it is, then go to the next view, press Ctrl tab, you can go to the next view. If you go here, you can see here what we created. Now select this one, then right click, move special, you can make it mirror, click this point and click here, then move. So now it is located like this. Select this one, right click, move, click this point and place it here. Now you can select this one, then right click, move, special linear, just make it here y direction 530, then move, expand it, you will get it like this. Select this one, right click, move, click this point and place it here. So now this one is perfectly placed, first one. Next select this one, then go here, make change, just go to the 3D view, you can see here very clearly what we created here. Select this one, make it here 0, make it here -475, then modify. We need it here like this, here like this. Then select this one, right click, copy, click this point and place it here. Press escape key, select this one, make it here 0, then enter. Now here it is placed perfectly. Then we can create the connection. We will use same purlin connection what we created here. Double click this one, then apply and click OK. Then go to edit, select here component, create current connection, select this column and select this script, and within few seconds this connection will create. Then make it select this one, select this one, select this one, press the mouse center button, here it is created. What we create the purlin, the same connection, we will use it here also. You can see here it is placed perfectly above this support. Now select these two things, then go to work plane, go to the view, select here work plane, then select work plane tool. Now I just place it here like this. Now you can see here this is x direction, this is y direction. Press escape key, select these two things, right click, copy special, linear, make it y direction 1200, quantity 8, then go to copy. You can see here it is copied perfectly this direction. Press escape key, you will get it the connection also perfectly here. Now select these all the things, press Ctrl and you can select like this, right click, copy, or you can use copy special also. Now just click here, here and here. Now select this grid, press Ctrl and you can select this all the thing together. Then go to the properties, change here 475, then enter. You can see here we didn't created any connection. Now just go to double click this connection, apply and OK. Then go to the component, create current connection, select this column, select this one, press center mouse enter button, here it is connected. Select this one, press the mouse enter button, select this one, press the mouse enter button. Repeat the same. So now this connection is perfectly created. Then select all the things, press Ctrl and select all the things. Press Ctrl and select all the things. Now go to here, change name Git. So other all the thing keep as it is, then enter. Now go to the view, select here view list, select this grid A, then go to view, select here work plane parallel to view plane. Now I just click here, next. Already we selected this one, right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click here, then go to copy. Within few seconds all the things will copy to that side. Here it is copied. If you go to this side, you can see all the things copied. Press Ctrl tab, you can go to the next view. Here it is copied, all the Git with connection and all.